Babe could be in times of trouble. Apply external monitoring. Fetal heart and Toco, CTG. And though mom can't feel baby move, accelerations are right in front of me. Let it come back to baseline, CTG. CTG, 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 CTG. Can't predict well-being antenatally. When twins are traced 3 times a day, it's 'cause they are MCMA. It drives the midwives crazy. It's CTG. Those traces parting, there is still a chance. That's one baby. Leave it on for longer. CTG, 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 CTG. Make sure you trace both babies. CTG. I see the baseline rising now. There's absent variability, complex variable D cells, CTG. She's working hard, but we will need to expedite delivery. Please pass me the forceps, CTG, CTG. CTG, CTG, CTG. Sensitive, not specific, CTG. When pregnancy gets to 42 weeks, or like or starts to look murky, diabetes on meds or bleeding, CTG. If she's prom or preterm, 40 years of age, or BMI, prolonged first stage or second, CTG. CTG, 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 CTG. Consider her risk factors, CTG. CTG, CTG, CTG.